When you search for the best seat covers for Tacoma, everything looks the same. Same claims, same colors, same photos. But to understand what actually protects your seats and enhances your ride, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, EKR Custom Fit Seat Covers. First up, we have the EKR Tacoma car seat covers. Priced at $259, these seat covers caught my attention with their custom fit designed specifically for the 2024-2026 Tacoma models. If you want a protective and stylish cover, this is worth a serious look. This means your seats are not only protected from spills and stains, but are also easy to clean. With over 1,300 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, these covers have gained popularity for a reason. Now, some people complained about the installation requiring some effort for a snug fit. Here's the thing though, while it may take a little time, once it's properly installed, you get a tailored look and protection that justifies the effort. This is perfect for you if you want a professional-grade finish in your Tacoma. Skip this one if you need something super easy to install right out of the box, but honestly, the long-term benefits are worth the time. Now, if the installation challenge with the EKR covers bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Car Pass Universal Fit Covers. Next up is the Car Pass Universal Fit Piping Leather Car Seat Cover, which comes in at about $58.91. This one caught my eye with its stylish black and red design. If you're looking for affordability without compromising on looks, this is a solid contender. With over 6,100 reviews and a 4.2-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate its value. Here's why this matters. The reserved opening holes for seat belts and headrests ensure that safety features remain accessible while giving your interior a sleek look. Now, some users did mention that the fit can be a bit loose on certain seats. Here's my perspective on that. If you drive a Tacoma, this cover still offers decent protection and a stylish upgrade at a low price point. This is perfect for you if you want budget-friendly yet stylish protection for your seats. Skip this if you need a custom fit that looks factory installed, but the value here is undeniable. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for durability and specific fit. Product number 3, Rough Country Neoprene Covers. Coming in at $229.95, we have the Rough Country Neoprene Seat Covers, custom fit for 2016-2023 Tacoma models. What drew me in was their waterproof and UV-resistant features. If you often find yourself outdoors or have kids and pets, this could be your go-to cover. The breathable neoprene also helps keep you comfortable during those hot summer days. With a great 4.6-star rating from 746 reviews, people love how these maintain the factory look while providing excellent protection. However, a few users pointed out that they aren't compatible with electric seats. Here's the thing, if you're using traditional seats, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, and the protection you get is worth the trade-off. This is perfect for you if you lead an active lifestyle and need strong, reliable protection. Skip this if you have electric seats, but for most, this is a smart choice. Now, if the electric seat compatibility is a concern for you, don't worry. The next one is designed with a focus on comfort and fit. Product number 4, LUCKYMAN Club Front Seat Covers. Next, we have the LUCKYMAN Club 2 Front Tacoma Seat Covers, priced at $134.10. What's impressive here is the custom fit for 2016-2023 Tacoma Crew Cab and Extended Cab. If you want something specific for your front seats, this is worth considering. These covers are made from faux leather, padded with thick sponge for added comfort. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,600 reviews, many users appreciate the easy installation and snug fit. Here's why this matters. It means your seats are well protected without the bulky look that some covers have. Now, one downside is that it only covers the front seats. Some may find that limiting, but if you primarily want to protect the front, this is a great choice. This is perfect for you if you often drive alone or have passengers in the front. Skip this if you need full coverage, but for targeted protection, it's a solid selection. Now, if you like the focus on front protection but want full coverage, The next product on my list is designed just for that. Product number 5, LUC-KYMAN Club Full Set Seat Covers. Finally, we have the LUC-KYMAN Club Tacoma Custom Fit Seat Covers for $224.10, which covers the entire cabin for 2016-2023 Tacoma Crew Cab models. What caught my eye is that it includes all 5 headrests and full coverage. If you want comprehensive protection in a stylish package, this is it. The 4.5-star rating from 1,600 reviews shows that many users are happy with how well they fit and the protection they provide. Here's why this matters. Having full coverage means every part of your seat is protected from spills, dirt, and wear and tear. However, some users pointed out installation can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing, with a little patience, you can achieve a professional look. This is perfect for you if you want full coverage and don't mind investing a bit of time to install it. Skip this if you're looking for the easiest option to put on, but the overall protection is definitely worth it. To wrap it up, we've covered the EKR Custom Fit, Car Pass Universal Fit Rough Country Neoprene, LUC-KYMAN Club front covers, and the full set from LUC-KYMAN Club. Each offers its unique strengths depending on your needs, whether it's fit, style, or protection. Whatever you choose, protecting your Tacoma's seats is a smart investment.